Okay, welcome to this lesson on proper nouns. Last lesson, we looked at common nouns. These nouns are what we call proper nouns. They are nouns that refer to a specific person, place, object, or period of time. So, for example, the names of people, Mr. Jones, Rachel, cities, towns, and suburbs like Auckland and Massey, regions, North Island, South Island, countries, New Zealand, Samoa, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, etc., months of the year, April, May, etc., organizations, Waitakere College, the Cancer Society, titles, Dr. Barker, important days, Waitangi Day, Christmas Day. Okay, so as a class, can you identify the proper nouns in each sentence? Now just pause the video while you do that. So push pause now, work through those 5 proper nouns, sentences, the proper nouns in them. You can see number 1 has got 2 proper nouns in it. Number 2 has got 3. 3 has got 2. 4 has got 3. 5 has got 3. Pause the video now. Write down what the proper nouns are in each sentence. Okay, how did you go? Here's the answers. Number 1, should have written down Mr. Cottle and Christchurch. Number 2, hopefully you've got Jason, Patrick and Waitakere College. Number 3, Khan and Friday. Number 4, Connaught, New Zealand and Ireland. Number 5, Te Vita, Te Papa and Wellington. Hope you did well. Now, go on to the activities, which is proper nouns and mapping. Work your way through that sheet. Ka pai.